Hey guys, it's Adam here. I'm gonna be doing a FIFA 15 pack opening. Obviously, I've got I think got 2.5 mil in the bank. I just packed man of the match Yaya Toure, and I sold him for 2.6 million. And I've got I think 2.4, 2.5 million coins, and there's 100k packs out. So we'll open 25 of them. I will just spend all our coins on them and hope for the best. The winter upgrades are now out, as we all know. We got Neymar, got Aguero, so any of those will be pretty good. And yeah, let's get started. So this is the first pack. Skip. We get, Hazard in our first pack. It's not bad. I'll take that. That's a brilliant first pack. Alright, next pack. We get Sergio Ramos. He's been incredible so far. What the fuck, where is he? Oh, there he is. Okay. So there we go. Alright, a third pack. I already won that 87 Neymar or 87 Aguero. Any of those I'll be really happy. So we get company there. It goes for like 5k. Next pack. Oh yes! Fuck yes! Get the fuck in! Aguero. Yes! And Iniesta in the same pack. That is a sick pack. Oh, we got the upgraded Lacazette there. Yes. Come on, now we want that Neymar. Got Aguero, now we want the Neymar. Oh, man of the match. That's it. Man of the match, Atsu, we don't want him. Next pack. These packs have been quite good so far. Skip, we get Mata. Not the best. Not really what we're looking for, but yeah, next pack. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit sick, so my voice sounds a bit fucked, that's why. We got Marco Reus there. I swear to God, the market is so, like, corrupted right now. Everyone's going for nothing. Like, I legit saw a Reus go for, like, 12k the other day by now. It's just crazy. And on Xbox and PlayStation, the market is just inflated. Holy shit! Fucking Ribery. That is heaps good. And Buffon upgraded, but we don't want him. Come on, next 100k pack. We get Lewandowski. Yes, and upgraded Azpilicueta. These packs have been awesome. Duran. No, I don't want any of that. Next pack. You know what, we'll let this one play out. Oh my god, the one we let. Oh, fuck that shit. I'll just discard the whole pack, fuck it. Next pack. Skip. And we get Inform. And Xavi. And Lloris and Czech and Di Maria. And Lavezzi. So that's pretty good. But again, they all don't go for nothing. Lloris and Czech. Two of the best BPL keepers. Of course, after Courtois. Oh, fuck! Inform Aubameyang. The Sweat Master. We will keep him. Next pack. We get Lloris. Just got him before. Fuck up, we don't want him. I'm so happy I got that upgraded Aguero. Next pack we get Cruz. I want to pack Messi so badly. I've already got Ronaldo. Just want Messi now. This pack, oh what the fuck, 82 rated. Alright, next pack. I think we got maybe 13 or 14 to go. We get Sergio Ramos again. Wow. Does he even go for anything? I'm not sure. And Mata and Isco in there. Not too bad. Alright, next pack. We're going down to the 1 mil mark now. And we get... Oh my... Inform Aubameyang again? Wow. What? And Inform Aurier? That's a great... That's a really good pack. Let's take a screenshot of that one. And then I'll put them both on the trade bar. Alright, that's brilliant. I'm happy. I'm really happy with these packs. And earlier today I also got 2 Bales from different packs in Men Match Tour, as I told you before. Oh my god, an Inform Mertens right there. Already got him before. Oh, what the again, Inform Aubameyang. What? What is going on? Huntala. Wow. These packs are heaps good. I recommend you guys open them. Really. Inform. His shit, man. So I don't want him. Yep, this guy pack. Next pack we get Javi Martinez. Don't want that. Next pack. Come on. We get... Oh, yeah, fucking hell! Man of the Match Toure again! Oh my god! Oh my freaking god! Oh. I'm so happy right now, guys. Robin! Robin! Oh. Oh my... This is my best pack opening ever. Oh my god, guys. Oh, fuck hell. Oh my gosh. Oh, he goes for nothing. We don't want him. Can't believe these packs. They are fucking amazing. Oh my god. Next pack. Get Inform. Should be a high rated player in here. Cruz. No. Right. Let's try to get 5 more packs in. Can't believe I got those packs back there. Oh, Inform Lopez again. I think there might be another Inform in the pack. Good luck, Cavani. Alright. Wow, I'm so happy. I'm legit so happy. Oh! Inform Sergio Busquets. Oh, what? What? What is... This is crazy. What is going on here? What the What the... Did I just discard? Oh my god. I just discarded that whole pack. Oh my freaking gosh. I'm such an idiot. Oh, Inform... Oh yeah, there we go. Anyone else? Thiago Silva. Don't want him. Javi Martinez, Cavani. Oh my god, I can't believe I just fucking discarded that pack with 2 Informs. Oh. Oh, yes, upgraded Goetza. Yeah. That card looks incredible. Tevez, I saw there. Inform Mertens. Oh my god, I'm still pissed I discarded that pack. Fucking dead. Come on, I think this might be our final pack. You know what? I think it's 15k packs. We'll open some of them. Oh, that's a fucking shit ending. Isco. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. It's got to be one of my best pack openings ever. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, enjoy your day.